and today we are just going to factorize questions there. And as you can see, questions I have written on the board here. If you talk about this question, normally if we see this, then we just think that how to solve these questions. So it's very easy, and today we will just learn how to solve these questions. So please have a look once here. We have a question like this, and suppose we are just going to factorize it. We are just going to factorize it. Now you can see here, first we write here solution, and now x minus 1 by x, whereas here in both we have to take the common. We have to see which one is common here, or what we can take common. Now if you see in this question here, then if you look here, look, there is x, and in this term also there is the x. So in this place the x is at the denominator, and when the variable is at the denominator and while taking common, then always what we have to know, if we take the commons with the denominator, then the power of the denominator will increase. Instead of decreasing, it will increase, and how much common we will just take out, that much power will increase there. For example, if you see here, we can see x and x is common here. So suppose let's take x common. Suppose x we took common here. Now what is remaining here? Now this x comes out. Now there is nothing, so we write here 1, and after that there is minus, so we write minus here, and 1 upon. Now as I told you, we are taking the common with the denominator. So this one is at the denominator, so instead of decreasing, its power will be increased. So suppose there is x, so its power is 1 already here, and when we just take common, then 1 power more it will be increased there, or it will be added there. So now the power of the x will be x power 2. It will be this. Now after that, what we are going to do, now we can see this, we can convert it into the formula. Okay, like the formula is a square minus b square. In this we can just convert this. Now let's see how. Or x in the bracket, you can see there is 1. A square of 1 square, if we do, then we will get here 1 into 1, means when we multiply 2, we will get 1 square here. So it means what? The square of 1 is always 1 the 1 here. So we can write here 1 square, and the next thing what we can write, minus this one is here, and there x square is there. So in the place of this we put x only, and we write this 2 square as a whole, and now curly bracket close. Now if we see here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. Now what is the formula of a square minus b square? If you see here, a plus b and a minus b, we have this formula of this one. While factorizing we use this. Now let's see, or there is x, and now in the small bracket let's write a plus b. There is a plus b. So what we write here, a, in the place of a what is there? 1. So 1, and then this minus there, so we write plus according to the formula, plus, and 1 by x. This is the first thing. And now if you see the next second one, there is 1, and here there is minus. So about the formula, if you see there is a minus sign, so we put minus here, and b what is there? 1 by x. So 1 by x, and now bracket close. So we just converted this into this formula here, that is x common we took, and this is in the formula a plus 1 plus 1 by x and 1 minus 1 by x. So a square minus b square, if you see, then we just write it in the formula like a plus b and a minus b. So in this way we can solve these questions, but generally when we see this, it looks like wow, how to do these questions, but it's very simple. In this way, if you solve these questions, then you will get the answer, and it's very simple too. Okay, this much this, and if there is any confusions, Any doubt, please don't forget to mention the comments there, and how much possible I'll just guide you and I'll just help you over there. Just thank you.